This is Premnath from Private Department. This is the MCS 630 XL. X and Y and Z is X is 1050 and Y is stroke is 1000 and Z is 1050 and mainly is the 30 and 37 kilowatt capacity of motor. We can pallet change also, pallet size also is a 1200. We can do the maximum cut of the component. The higher depth of can go. The X and Y Z is LM rail. And auto parts component also we can machines like bigger component of axles components we can do. This is the rotary APC. The mainly is design is the for deflection purpose. To avoid the deflection purpose, there is a column made stepped column. We can reduce the deflections of the component while doing the components.